You want to create videos to share your knowledge with the world, but every time you turn on a camera and press record, you freeze? In this video, you're going to learn how to overcome the fear of being on camera so you can start making videos today. The first and most important thing to overcome when talking on camera is to stop focusing on yourself and how you look, but rather focus on the information that you are about to share and how you're going to transform your viewer's life. Yes, it's as simple as not focusing on how you look, but the information that you are sharing, and that fear of being on camera will start to fade away. You're going to want to pick a topic that you're knowledgeable about, something you can talk about for hours. And you're going to need a script. Yes, you need a script. Without a script, you're going to be editing for hours. Once you've rehearsed your script, then you're ready to press record and start delivering the lines to camera. Just be sure when you're delivering your lines not to worry about getting every word perfectly, but just getting the idea across. The more eye contact that you make, the more genuine and authentic you will seem. So pretend that camera lens is that person that needs to hear your message most and talk directly to them. Yes, your first few videos won't be the best, but if the information is there, the viewers won't mind. One thing that I've quickly learned is that your audience is there to support you, and they want to see you grow and develop into that video star we all already know you are. And in order to do that, you need to start creating videos. And as you improve, your audience will be there cheering you on. If you go back to your videos and you don't cringe when you look at them, it means you've waited way too long to get started. If you ask any successful YouTuber what they wish they would have done differently, they all have the same answer. They wish they started creating videos sooner. So what are you waiting for? Press that record button and start creating videos today. Your future self will thank you. Do you want to make videos but hate talking to camera? I can help. Sign up for my free Film Yourself Challenge where I teach you how to get comfortable talking to camera. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, or better yet, leave me a comment. I have new videos out every Wednesday. Until next time, peace!